So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Right in the search bar, type YouTube Studio desktop. After that, click that and open the first link that comes. When you hit enter, it will open your YouTube Studio. Wait for it to load. Then once you open it, locate the settings. As you see at the left lower corner, click that settings option. Right after that, as you see, we are at general. Locate default units. You see we are going to deal with the currency that you're likely to use. So as for me, I prefer US dollar. That's in American dollars. Let's go to channel and basic info. So on country of residence, as for me, I like to use United States as my country of residence. So this is the advantage of targeting the United States audience. Don't worry about monetization issues. There is no issues on monetization by choosing this United States. So step 2, let's go to keywords. These are the hidden keywords that we find inside our YouTube channel. These keywords are hidden, so you have to set it according to your niche, according to type of content that you are going to post. So let's clear all of them and give you some few of examples that I want to show you here. So let's say we want to create music like Afro music. So we have to type something that is related to Afro music. So at the first we write Afro beats mix, Afro house mix, you see. Then after you finish typing, enter comma and hit enter. It will automatically set itself in the column. So you see, right? It's just an example that I'm showing you on this channel because I'm already setting it. So step number 2, let's go to advanced settings. Let's scroll a little bit down. Set no. Set this channel is not made for kids, right? After that, scroll down a little bit. The other settings that I'm not mentioning, leave it as default. I don't mind, my English is not good, but I'm trying to explain in the way so that everyone can understand. So on clips, you untick that clips. Do not allow viewers to clip your content. All right. The most very important part here is that one named third-party trainings. Allow third-party companies to train AI model using your content. Click all third-party companies. I will tell you in the next coming video why is that part important so much. Okay, let's go to feature eligibility. You see my channel is already verified on these features, so you have to go through and verify your phone number on this your YouTube channel so that it will allow you to customize thumbnail and upload long form video, right? Okay, let's go to next step. So let's go to default uploads. Basic info, title and description, you can leave it as it is. Let's go to advanced settings. All right, let's pay much attention here. You see on the right side that named the category. If you are into music, if you are into comedy skits, you have to choose which category you are likely to create content for. So if you are an official artist, choose music. But if you are not an official artist but you are creating music using AI, just choose entertainment. Okay, Let's scroll down a little bit. There is a very important option here. Leave comments as on, then show how many viewers liking this video. I always recommend you to turn it off, so when this feature is on, no one is going to like your video because it shows a fewer number of likes, right? Then after you do all this, hit save. Let's go to next step. Right, click on the profile icon, then channel. It will take you to this page. Right, we are here to customize our channel, that is changing names, changing banners, changing profile picture, description, etc. So let's get started. You see banner images, click on change there. Once you click on change, it will open your file manager or your gallery. Then locate where your YouTube banner is and select it, then hit open. It will automatically placed on this place and hit done. So mine, I've already said that. Let's go to next step. Right, we are at profile picture. You see, you hit change and locate your profile picture, then hit done. There is a section where name, that's the name of your channel, then handle is the same as your channel name, then description there you write there. So what I'm trying to say right now is, if you have any comment or is there any part that you did not understand, please let me know in the comment section, and please consider subscribing, like this video, share with your friends, so that we proceed to our next stage, which is coming on Sunday night. Stay blessed.